Hi. During the next half hour, this program will guide you through a series of screening measures. Each one is directed at a particular safe driving ability. Before you get started, I have some general information about how this will work and what will happen to your scores on the screening measures. If you've already heard this, you can press continue at any time. First, you should try your best to go through all the screening measures in the order they are presented. If you need to take a short break, you can wait to press continue after completing one measure and before advancing to the next. You will also have frequent opportunities to quit the screening program between measures. But for the most valid results, you should complete every measure in turn from the beginning to the end of the program. Next, you should know that your scores are only saved long enough to give you your results and feedback about what they mean after you complete the screening measures. When you quit the program, your scores are not saved. The program is designed this way to protect your privacy. Of course, if you quit the program before completing all of the screening measures, you will have to start over the next time you log in. Just one more thing. You will see several buttons and controls on this page. In addition to the standard X in the red box, which allows you to quit the program, a button with a question mark will always be found in the upper right corner. This will connect you to help messages. A continue button to advance through the program is found at the bottom of the screen. Other buttons, labeled pause, replay, and volume, will give you control over the audio narration. Okay, that's it. When you press continue, I'll give you some helpful hints to make the screening program go quicker and easier.